G'day and welcome. In today's video, we're going to go through how to install double swinging gates. Start by measuring the offset of your hinges. We normally go 200mm down from the top and 200mm up from the bottom. This measurement can be changed if required. Once you have the position of your hinges marked out, screw the hinges into place with the screws provided. Once the hinges are screwed into position, we need to adjust the tension. This can be done by using a flathead screwdriver and pressing the adjust button in and rotating it towards the minus sign. Measure the height of your gate. Grabbing a straight edge or string line, place it across the top of the gate post. Grab some blocks, bricks or similar and pack out to the gate height. This is going to help us support the gate while we screw the hinges on. Move the gate into position. Once you're happy with the height and the gap between the gate and the gate posts, proceed to screwing off your hinges, starting at the top and finishing at the bottom. Once the hinges are secured, remove the blocks and give it a test swing to make sure that it can swing freely. Proceed to installing gate leaf number 2. Using the same techniques as we did for gate leaf number 1, please ensure that the height of both gates marries up evenly and that you have enough clearance for your hinges and gate lock. Now that the gates are installed, next we put on the post caps. Simply use a rubber mallet and hit them into position.